Hey, so I wanted to pop in here and unbox our brand new product. This is our 5-day reset, and I'm really excited to share this with you. It is innovative. It has been created by doctors and nutritionists, and really the idea, you guys, it's to reset, but not in maybe the traditional way that you might think, where you follow a plan for X amount of days and you're really in depletion mode. You're really depriving yourself. And yes, you see a result at the end of that period, but oftentimes you go right back to where you started from. Sometimes even worse, because really what you did during that period was take away instead of fuel and kind of give your body direction for its steps moving forward. That is not this. This is something where we are going to focus on 3 things. 1 is nourishment, 2, the power of protein, and 3, restorative balance. And when we combine all 3 of these things together, we are going to be reset and then have a plan moving forward. So let me unbox this reset for you. It is comprehensive, like I said, so everything you're gonna need for those first 5 days is inside your kit. We are just gonna be adding in fruits, veggies, and additional protein. That's it, and that's all directed, and it is all actually individual, and we'll talk about that. But you open it up, you've got this, you definitely have. This is a gluten-free entirely product. It is no artificial flavors, sweeteners, or preservatives, as you would expect. You'll have a guide, but we will be giving you more information than that. And then inside, this is so cool, you guys. 5 boxes. They are identical, 1 for each of your 5-day reset. When you open them up, and that's what I'm going to do, you're going to see that we're going to hit on those 3 categories. We're going to hit on the nourishment, we're going to hit on the power of protein, and then we're going to hit on restorative balance. So let me take you through. And on the back, every single one of the supplements inside is listed. So 65 grams of protein alone in here, gluten-free, with a guide. All right, so here we go. Let's talk about protein first. So first things first, breakfast. You have a protein oats packet in here. Now you can kind of even see from the photo that there's berries that have been mixed in here, and we'll give you different ideas for that. But this alone has 12 grams of protein. Okay, up next is up next, because we'd be going to lunch first, but I'll talk lunch and dinner, are these veggie broths. There's the protein veggie broth. There's 7 grams of protein in each. Now what's cool with these, you guys, they are super flavorful, but you can add in as many vegetables as you want and as much protein as you want. So kind of picture like a hearty soup, which is perfect because it's freezing outside. All right, so you've got your 2 veggie protein broths, and then in addition to that, you're gonna have our Life Shake. Now, you guys, this is a patented product, which means this is not like any other shake that's out there. That means that it has a universal benefit to society that is unique, and that is our Life Shake. It's delicious. This is vanilla. It is plant-based, 20 grams of protein inside here, along with fiber and tons of vitamins and nutrients. But excited, and the reason why to share this with you, and the reason why this is patented, is because of the leucine that is in this shake. This is directly impactful for your muscles and burning, so proven weight loss right here. Okay, next up is our snack bar. You'll have this in the afternoon as well. It's delicious. I've had this one before. 9 grams of protein in here. Again, you guys, there are 6 grams of fiber in here, 3 grams of fiber in here. So we're not just hitting on one thing. We are comprehensively addressing, tongue twister, our entire self. All right, so let's move to nourishment. Now, like I said, all of your vitamins are inside here and our other products, but just to be sure, you are going to have our, how cute are these? Our gummy Vitally multivitamins every single day. In addition to that, you guys, we talked restorative balance. So in the morning, you'll enjoy our Up and Glowing. Another 10 grams of protein in here, collagen, and then you'll have some green tea extract. So Up, which would be the green tea, so you have a little bit of a pick-me-up, and then Glowing from the collagen, skin, nails, and hair and joints, all in here. With breakfast, our Good Gut and Go. This has been a go-to for me every single morning. This is for gut health and regularity. It is amazing. I'm so excited for you to try it. Then you're gonna have 2 of these. One is, I think, watermelon. Yep. raspberry melon, and one's blood orange. So this is to focus on hydration and focus, clarity, energy. You'll have these throughout the day. As you guys are probably picking up, you're gonna be eating or drinking something every hour and a half to 2 hours. And before bed, our rest and rewind tea. This is a mint tea. It's going to help you have a restful sleep. So 3 categories: nourishment, power of protein, and then restorative balance. Collectively, you are going to be enjoying this every single day for 5 days. You'll be part of our group. This will be phase 1. Phase 2, we'll move into our Thrive phase, which is 4 weeks, dedicated menu, recipe, guidelines, grocery lists, trackers, everything you need to continue feeling wonderful, how you felt on those first 5 days, continue seeing results, because of course, you are going to see results. You're gonna see weight loss, body composition shift. You're gonna feel energized, you're gonna sleep better, and we're gonna continue that forward for those 4 weeks. But really, guys, give you a sustainable plan that is effective, that is simple for moving forward into 2025. All right, that's my unboxing. I'm super excited to do this with you.